What to do if someone near you has a heart attack? If someone near you appears to be having a heart attack, it is important to call emergency services immediately by dialing 911 or your local emergency number. While you wait for emergency responders to arrive, there are a few things you can do to help the person. If you are trained to do so, you can apply CPR. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a life-saving technique that can be used to help someone whose heart has stopped beating. Here's how to perform CPR. Check for signs of consciousness and breathing by tapping the person's shoulder and asking, "Are you okay?" If the person is unconscious and not breathing, call 911 or your local emergency number immediately. Position the person on their back on a firm surface, such as the floor. Kneel down beside the person's neck and shoulders. Place the heel of one hand on the center of the person's chest, between the nipples. Place your other hand on top of the first hand. Interlock your fingers and keep your arms straight. Use your body weight, not just your arms, to push down firmly and quickly on the person's chest. Push down about 2 inches, or 5 centimeters, for adults, about 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters for children. Perform 30 compressions at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. After 30 compressions, open the person's airway by lifting the chin with one hand and tilting the head back with the other hand. Pinch the person's nose shut and give 2 breaths into the person's mouth. Repeat the cycle of 30 compressions and 2 breaths until the person starts breathing, an AED arrives, or emergency responders take over. It's important to note that performing CPR may not always revive the person, but it can buy time until professional help arrives and increase the chances of survival. It's also highly recommended that you take a CPR training class to learn the proper technique and stay updated with the latest guidelines. Don't forget to share and like the video. It can save someone.